Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Remember, if you want to keep updated with everything I'm loving, make sure you link, like and subscribe. And if you're new here, hey! So today you have joined me for my very first episode of my Etsy series, and we will be unboxing the Jam Jar Dock earrings. So I'm really excited. It's taken me a while to get around to doing this video, and it's still sealed shut, and I'm so excited to open up these goodies. So let's go. It comes with this lovely packaging, and quite clearly it's like a little stamp that she's used, and I just love it. I just think it's really original. It's just really cute. It's just so cute. So let's open them. I'm so excited. Ooh. Here we go. This is what you'll receive if you buy some earrings from Jam Jar Dock. So I ordered mine, and I asked for a coral pair and a black pair, and I just said surprise me with whatever kind of accessories you're going to use or anything like that. So I have no idea, I just know what colours they are, and I've just spotted something really cool inside. It says Lauren Loves. How cute is that? That's really cool. Oh, they are so cute. So my first pair are these coral pair, and I think they are going to look super cute with an outfit in summer. They're just so bright, so fun, so colourful, and they're really made really well. And on the back obviously we've got our little studs as well, but they are so cute. And they're just the shorter tassels. I asked for a shorter pair, and they come with the little Jam Jar Dock logo. So they're super cute. But yeah, I asked for the shorter pair, but the black pair are slightly longer. In fact, they're a lot longer. So let's get those out. Oh wow. So she's put some red beading on for me, and they are just so super cute. Super cute. I just love them. They are so well made as well. So tidy. Nothing's fraying out to the sides or anything. They are just really well made. And then inside we've also got a little note. So it just says thank you for your order, and then it gives you details on Instagram, the Jam Jar Dock, and then also has her link to her Etsy shop, and I definitely think you should go over and check it out. The earrings are £5, so if you want to go over and you want something a little bit more bespoke, then she will most definitely make those up for you in any colour that you want for £5. If you go on to her website, onto Etsy, they are £4 from what I have seen. But not only does she do earrings, she also does these really cute pins as well, like Crazy Cat Lady or Cat Lover. There's some little dinosaur pins as well, and they're all glittery. So I really do think you should go and check it out. So if you've got an outfit that you really want to zhuzh up, then these are so cool. So cool, and so on trend at the moment as well. Now with hook earrings, I don't tend to put the stoppers in too much. I just usually pinch them together. Awesome, I love these. These are going to be a statement piece, so you could really zhuzh up quite a casual outfit or a really dressy outfit. And I think they'd look really cool with my hair up actually. Oh, I love it. Look at those. Love it. So hair up or down, casual outfit, zhuzhy going out outfit. These are going to be a statement piece, whatever. Really happy with those, and they go with what I'm wearing. So now let's try on the coral pair. Okay, so there we go. Our coral pair. We've got double beads on these, and they are slightly shorter. I'm desperate to put these on when I go on holiday because I absolutely love coral. Again, I just pinch them together. Oh, they're so cute! So there we go. Those are the shorter versions. Really cute, really summery. I like those. I like those a lot. So anyway, if you are interested in going over to the Etsy shop for Jam Jar Dock, I will leave a link in the description, or you can visit their Instagram, and I'll also leave the link in the description down below. But go ahead, take a look, And make sure you grab yourself an amazing pair of tasseled earrings, totally on trend, and you'll totally be holiday ready. Stay tuned for more Etsy videos coming soon, and remember, if you want to keep updated with everything I'm loving, make sure you link, like and subscribe. Head over to my Instagram and stay tuned for the channel. You can see all the links in the description. Catch you soon, bye!